plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel conducting thin plates separated by a small distance. Means if we have two conducting plates separated by a small distance d, then this arrangement is called as capacitor. Now principle of capacitor. Capacitance of a charged conductor is increased by bringing another uncharged or low potential conductor near it. Means if I have this charged conductor A, then its potential can be increased by bringing a uncharged conducting plate B near to it. ठीक है. Now consider a positively charged conducting thin plate A in air. This is the conducting thin plate in air. Bring another uncharged conducting plate B closer to A. Due to induction, this face of plate B will acquire negative charge and this face will acquire positive charge. Now, due to this negative charge, potential of the plate A will decrease, and due to this positive charge, potential of plate A will increase. Since the negative charge are closer to the plate A, therefore net potential of the plate A will decrease. Now connect this plate B, connect plate B with the earth. Then induced positive charge, this induced positive charge will be neutralized by the electrons coming from the earth. जैसे ही हमने अर्थ से कनेक्ट किया तो जो इंड्यूस्ड पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ये अर्थ के इलेक्ट्रॉन से न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएंगे एंड फाइनली वी विल गेट this is the plate A, this is plate B, and finally we will get only the negative charge on the plate B, and due to this negative charge the potential of plate A further decreases, and to increase the potential we have to give the charge to the plate A.